Once again, this is Mr. and Miss Costa Rica.
Mr. Germany and Miss South Africa. Advocating for sustainable fashion addresses the environmental crisis caused by the fashion industry. It involves promoting eco-friendly clothing production, reducing textile waste, and encouraging consumers to make conscious choices. This advocacy highlights the negative impacts of fast fashion, such as pollution and resource depletion, while supporting brands that prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. By raising awareness and fostering responsible consumption, we can minimize the fashion industry's carbon footprint and preserve our planet for future generations. Once again, this is Mr. Germany and Miss South Africa.
Candidate number 8, Mr. Italy and Miss Brazil. Picture a world where every employee is appreciated, honored, and given the chance to blossom. Let us establish an economic system